Look, I mean, I like Jamie, and I think a lot of the time what Jamie says is worth listening to. In this instance, he's making noise on a television show to create some sort of reaction in it. You're top of the Premier League. You may not be playing particularly well, but I think the key component of any side is if you can win the majority of the games that you play in whilst not playing very well, there ain't too much wrong with you. I look at it and think to myself, well, what is there to worry about, really?
But they're struggling a bit.
Well, they've not hit.
Is Jamie not just saying what he sees?
He says that
he's struggling.
I tell you what he says. He says they don't look like a top team. I get that.
Yeah,
because they are top.
Well, they're top of the table.
Yeah.
But as I said the other week, sticking up for Arteta and
and they beat Arsenal.
The silliness around.
And they beat Arsenal, who are most people's favourites besides Liverpool to win the league.
Yeah, they did beat Arsenal. But what I'm saying is, people jumped on Arteta when he didn't beat Man City at home or whatever it is. You know, it's a moment in time. Liverpool and Arsenal will be up there fighting for the title.
Absolutely, and there'll be very little to worry about.